Hello, my lovely children. I am Kritika, your English educator. And now here I am back with our Unit 4 again from our book Purvi of Grade 6. Unit 4, which is Sports and Wellness. And we are starting with our chapter, A Change of Heart. Now, in this story, the boy, Prabhat, he always, played the game with all the spirit of playing it, always winning it. So something happened in his day. A new boy came to his life. A new boy came to his school. After playing a game with him, what happened that day on that particular day that changed his heart? That whatever kind of boy he was, that he always, wanted to just win. Otherwise, he won't play. What make him change his heart? So what happened in the story that we'll get into the story, we'll read the chapter and we'll find out. But before that, let's do quick question and answers like a warm-up session to know which games we like, which games we play for competition, or what all games are there which we play just for fun. So let's start with the question answers. Which games or sports do you play? I play a lot of games, so I'm obviously going to write my own answer, but you can make a list of your own answers, all the games that you like to play. Okay, for example, I play cricket and basketball. So again, as I said, you can write the names of all the games that you like to play. Okay, I like to play cricket and basketball. You write your own answer. Next is, read the question given below. Talk about them and make a list. So, you read the question and you need to make a list. Which games or sports do you play for fun? Now, beta, there are some games that we do not play for competition. We just play them for fun. Like, for example, if I talk about Ludo. Okay? If I talk about Snake and Ladder. I am sure you all play that, right? Or if I talk about playing cards at your house. These games, we do not play them for competition. We play them for fun. Fine. So I play hide and seek. Very nice. And basketball. So I play hide and seek and basketball for fun, not for competition. Again, you can write your own answer. Next one. Which games or sports do you play for competition? Now, there are a lot of games that we play for competition. For example, cricket we play for competition, chess we play for competition, and there are many more. So, you can write all the list, all the names of the games that you play for competition. Fine? Moving on. How do you feel when you win or lose? See, I will never say that I feel really happy when I lose. But when I win, I feel really, really happy that I want to just shout and tell everyone that I won. But when I lose, I really feel sad. Fine. But you should not stick with that sadness. You should motivate yourself that next time I'm going to work hard, next time I'm going to win again. If next time also you do not win, it's completely fine. The games are gradually for fun, right? So I feel great when I win a game. It thrills both the body and soul. So when we win, it feels so happy that our mind is happy, our body is happy. When I lose, I feel a bit bad and let down. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार I did not work really hard, that's why I lose, so I feel bad. However, लेकिन I try to console myself when I lose a game. पर मैं अपने आप को समझाता हूँ कि या समझाती हूँ that कोई बात नहीं, हार गए तो we'll try again next time. Okay, next, take the correct meaning of the following. Now here the words are given or the phrases are given. You have to choose the correct meaning from both the answers. Friendly matches. Friendly matches are those that you play for fun, not for competition. So matches played to win a trophy? No. Matches played without competition? Yes. There's no competition, you just play for fun. Those are friendly matches. Got it? Next question. Opponent. Now, who is opponent? Somebody who plays against you. ठीक है, जो दूसरी टीम में होता है. So that is an opponent. Someone who you compete with? Yes. जिसके साथ आप competition करते हो, ना कि जिसको आप partner बनाते हो. Fine? Okay. Next one, tally of marks. Final marks on a report card? No. That is not tally of marks. The marks, the record that we maintain throughout the game. Fine, throughout the competition, throughout the match. That is called tally of marks. Okay. Next one is Sporting spirit. Now, what is sporting spirit? See, when you stay fair throughout the game, fine, you don't do any cheating, you respect your opponent as well. Yes, they are opponent, but you're not going to fight with them, right? Or you won't be unfair to them. You need to be fair with them. You need to respect them. That is called sporting spirit. Okay. What is sporting spirit? To be fair in the game and to respect your opponent. This is your correct answer. Okay. Here we are done with warm-up questions. In the next video, I'm going to start with the reading and explanation of the chapter. Till then, bye.